Okay, I'm gonna sneak up on this cat here. Sneak up on this cat. What is that? Is that alive? Is he alive? What's going on here? What is that? What is that right there? Oh man, that's scary. What is that? Is that thing alive? Jeez. Oh, I can't open the door. I'll wake him up. Look at that. Look at that. What's going on there? What's going on there? Let's zoom in on there. What's going on with that head? Is he dreaming? Is he running? Is he having a nightmare? Is he catatonic? My God. What's going on here? That's very strange. See, I can't open the door because he's gonna wake him up. Oh, he's alive. He's alive. Look at that. Wasn't sure there. Oh well. Yeah, well.